53 degrees 44.20 minutes north. I say again, 53 degrees 44.20 minutes north. 000 degrees 23.75 minutes east. So Long has collided with tanker Stena Immaculate in the outer anchorage. Both vessels are abandoning. Vessels who have firefighting equipment or who can assist with search and rescue, contact Humber Coast Guard on channel 16. Vessel Stena Immaculate is carrying Jet A1 fuel, which is on fire and in the water. Request vessels remain at a safe distance. Humber Coast Guard coordinating, date time group 101000 UTC. This is Humber Coast Guard.
Decimal 25 north, 000 degrees 21, decimal 01 east. First leg direction 358 degrees true. Leg length 2.8 nautical miles. A track spacing of 0.6 nautical miles and first turn to the right. Number of legs 6 and search area size of 12.9 nautical miles and a speed of 12 knots. Is that all received, River? Skegness lifeboats, this is Humber Coast Guard, Roger. Bridlington lifeboats are the on-scene coordinator for this incident. As a word of warning as well, both vessels are still on fire currently, so that may obviously mean some alterations in the search pattern. Skegness lifeboat, Humber Coast Guard, Roger, many thanks.